Around 6 weeks ago, the war zone reported on an unusual incident in the skies near Los Angeles International Airport, or LAX, in which the pilots of multiple airliners reported seeing a guy in a jetpack while on approach to land. Now, on Wednesday afternoon, crew members on an airliner flying near Los Angeles International Airport, LAX, once again spotted a person in a jetpack gliding at an altitude of 6,000 feet high.
We just saw the flying object like a flight suit jet passing by at 6,000.
A flying object, was it a UAV or was it a jetpack?
Like a jetpack.
China Airlines 006, we just saw a bright object at 6,000. LAX Tower, 006 Heavy, can you say that one more time please? China Airlines 006, we saw a flying object like a, this part is hard to decipher, but it sounded like flight suit jetpack at 6,000. LAX Tower, was it a UAV or was it a jetpack? China Airlines 006, like a jetpack. Too shiny. It's too far.
We just saw the flying object like a flight suit jet passing by at 6,000.
A flying object, was it a UAV or was it a jetpack?
Like a jetpack.